Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile, and volume in time. Hyena try to laugh, but the lines gon' feast. Feast. Nerd out to take the battle from Linguini to Wall Street.
Hello, hello. Good morning. How we doing? Testnet, testnet, testnet. That was a big catch-oy. How we doing? Good morning, Lions. Happy Wednesday. Happy FOMC day. Let's go. Who's ready? Who is? Double voice. Who is ready? Coke Zero, good morning. PSG, stand up. Buzzcree, Jupy, Kobe, Amanello, Mark, Indolion, JPX, Saber, Maestro, let's get it. Dimitri, Il Pasoto, We Fancy, Pipeline, Bergix, Fibonaccio. That sounds fancy. Love it. Let's get it. Jupy, Deneth, Token Tickler, Jedi's Kirk, Latisse, Lil X, Vladimir. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. Round Trippa, TS Master, Sammy. XLR, let's go. Calling Noob, shoutouts Calling Noob. Big Dog. Ace, yo. Shout out to Kimba AI. Oh, look at that. Exclusive. 30% off any CoinWise subscription. Find the promo code in the Discord. Let's go. Yeah, so all of you who've been using the Wise Pro for the Pro Indicators trial, this is on any of the subscriptions, so this is amazing. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's get it. We got a big day today. We're going to do some giveaways. We have FOMC. We still have those coupons or the free promotion for the CoinWise indicators. You're seeing them on the screen. You saw them on the KIMBA Away screen. Yeah, we've been vibing, digging these new indicators. It's an amazing suite of tools. Yeah, really enjoying it. It's making picking levels so nice. So nice. Isn't it? It's juicy. Nitrogen, Insulin Bench, Saber, Ruraru. VV Paz, how are you doing? Zerniat, Sigurd, Due East, Ludo, good morning. How we doing? YouTube, how you doing? Kimba's coming back at some point. He'll be back. Sorry that you have to suffer through me once again, but hopefully I can entertain and give you some juice still. We have some giveaways today, so stick around. Yeah, we're gonna do a few this morning, some more this afternoon. Yeah, it's gonna be a juicy day. Love it. Yeah, we got a viewing party for the FOMC minutes. I need a countdown on here. That was on my list, and yep, I dropped the ball. But we got FOMC minutes in just under 5 hours. Not the minutes, the actual rate numbers. Are we getting cuts? Are we getting cuts? What do you think? Channel predictions? I think we're getting cuts. Rate cuts coming, and we still ballin'. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this. Too loud? It seems pretty loud. I don't even know how to turn my headphones down. It's good? Too quiet? It sounds good. I know, big cachoya. I like to blast your ears, don't I? Hopefully not everybody's wearing headphones. Yeah, Unleashed after 5 months, after 83 years. After 83 years. Cool. Thank you, Melich. How are you doing? Checkster. Refreeze. Hazy. Lays Alec, good morning. Alan. Suffering. Big cheers. Bagamani, how are we doing? Happy FOMC. Damon. Best Ed. Yeah. Who caught the talent show last night? That was amazing. That was awesome. Shout out to Burbeezy. Curvies. Shout out to all the participants though. That was juice. That was a good time. Froggy. In case they're trying to get Froggy. Woo woo. Lou time. Strat. Good morning. Jay Becker. Unleash. Yeah. Cheers, Mr. Larry's. I didn't miss anybody, did I? We looking good. Bobby Toxic Pedals holding it down. Shout outs. Doritos, how are you doing? Yes, Mr. FFS. Yep, I got it. We're gonna rock out on it in a little bit. Yeah, we're just gonna vibe out for the kind of intro, and then we'll get some hype music going shortly. Yeah, we got a little bit of new music to mix it up with beforehand, just some instrumental things, and then we'll be rocking later. Arkin Leader, Mr. Larry's. Timer until the meeting? Yeah, it's coming. I need to work on it. That was on my list since the past 3 hours, and you know how those things go. Shoutouts to the longers, shoutouts to the shorters. Who juicing? Who juicing? Who juicing? Bugatti. Arkin Leader. Let's get it. Yeah. I'm really so happy that I can be here with you all. And I'm super excited. This is my first FOMC hosting, so this is juice. Bitesore, shoutouts to you, brother. 27 months, let's go. Freestyle. Thank you both. Big cheers. Let's go. Happy FOMC Wednesday. And we got some juice coming in already. Uh-oh. Hot dog. I wish I had like Kimba's like cool one. see, how much time do we have? 11. Hours and 48 minutes. Oh, 47 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna be close enough. No sound. Oh. My mate Nate, good morning. Let's go. Yeah, shout outs to the overlay adjustment. I'm sure the one for Twitch is going to be updated as well. Can you share the link? I just made it. You like this music? Yeah, I'll have to make a link. I'll make one and I'll like share it in Discord or something. Thanks, Dimitri. Yeah, this one's kind of jazzy, but the rest of them I think are like a little bit less jazz to it. Yeah. Arc and Leader, Alan. Yeah, I'll make a note of it and I'll share it. I don't mind. Yeah, I can't share the KIMBA music. I don't want to get permabanned. Yeah, it's super dark and dreary. We had flooding next to me yesterday. It was crazy. It was crazy. It rained like 6 inches. Bom dia. I didn't say it right, but shout outs to you, Gypsy. Good morning. Happy FOMC day. Let's go. Cream, good morning. How are you? Liam, Sophia. Yeah, that was Juice, right? My mate Nate. Damon. Good morning, Sandelka. DJ, shouts to you. Thanks, Gypsy. Big cheers, brother. Big cheers. I was trying to get the countdown timer up, and the overlay wasn't doing what I wanted. Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it. Gamer Girl loves you. Shout outs to you. Good morning. Let's get it. FOMC day. I'm gonna get this countdown timer up and we'll do some TA before market open. How about that? Yeah. So I'm gonna be on until around 11 and some change probably, and then we're gonna take a little break to get a few things done in the background and come back for some juice pre-meeting. Yeah, pre-meeting. And we triggered a giveaway, it looks like. Let's go. Shoutouts to BLOFIN. KIMBA hype, KIMBA hype, KIMBA hype. Exclamation wise lions in the chat if you want to juice up on the giveaway. Best of luck to all of you. If you are not knowing what's going on, exclamation dashboard. Sign up for our exchanges, specifically BLOFIN right now, but all the exchanges have great fees negotiated. It's amazing. Yeah, so Kimba's done a lot of work to set things up. We have, what, 10 exchanges, 9 exchanges. We got a NFT. Shoutouts to the Alliance of Laquania, especially those who have that for their profile pictures. Let's go. Trading from the moon. Good morning. Thank you, brother. Floppy Fresh. Shoutouts to BLOFIN. Shoutouts to Housty. Shoutouts Cage. Shoutouts Dev Team. Shoutouts to all the mods. Cyper, Chauncey, Buzzo. Buzzo's looking good up there yesterday, wasn't he? Yeah, that was fun yesterday. That was really cool. Hey, good luck. Big cheers to Gomez. How are you doing? Good morning. Buzzo, yeah. You're looking fresh, dude. You need to tell all the ladies that you are up here juicing the lions. Yeah, dude. Not that you need to. You probably already have lady problems as it is. Stud. I know. Yeah, I have to be discreet with mine. Mrs. Mandalo doesn't know what I'm doing right now. Chicken milkshake. Good morning. We got a giveaway going on. If y'all are just joining, hop in, hop in, hop in. Exclamation wise lions. BLOFeezy in the house. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, other announcements. There's a 30% subscription giveaway for the Lions, or it's a promotion, not a giveaway, but they have the indicators that you can test out before you even use that. I think that that discount is until like what, the end of the month. It looked like the end of the month, I think. Yeah, but don't miss out. Like, that's juice. I saw like the prices in the post or whatever, and that was a big juice. Yeah, that was nice. So juice up, and juice up on some giveaways. Maybe you can juice your trades up and just subsidize your CoinWise indicators. Yeah. Yeah, I hear rumors they got a journal that they're working on too. It's supposed to be super juicy. Yeah, I don't know a timeline on it, but that should be awesome. Yeah, their team is cool. KCEX, Il Pasoto, let's get it. Uchiha, Big Chef Bugatti. OBS is hoeing. Do you have the correct ticks per row on TP? How do you select it? It's near the top. It's near the top. Here, I'll do it the easy way. All right, so resolution, that's for the volume profile. This is the ticks per row. And I have it on minimum ticks, it looks like on this one. Because it was set on, it was set for Coinbase, so it's like $2 per row. It's like, I think it's a lot. Hold on, you got a tick size tooltip that you can gauge it with. For CME, what it is right here, yeah, that's way too large for me right now. But the more ticks you have, the more historical TradingView is able to calculate back. So it's like, it'll show you single prints for like way back. I like somewhere between 8 and 20 on CME. Do 10. Yeah, and it'll make your single prints a little bit more clear. It'll pick them up better. Yeah, I've been working with it. Like, single prints are one of my favorite parts of all the CoinWise indicators. It's so juiced to be able to see the whole zone in TradingView. You know how like their normal TPO, it'll just show like, I gotta get on a different one. Yeah, and you see like that tick size is like not too bad for your profile. I'll hide the profile soon so we can see the price action. This is just like a stock one that I have. Oh, and I don't even have single prints highlighted. Yeah, so it just it just displays the first print and then leaves the whole rest of the zone. So if you were to like trade into this, it's missing that part. So you're like, oh yeah, single print grabbed, and like, gotcha, bitch, right? 5 minutes, let's go. Oh, we got the winners. Let's go. Congratulations to the giveaway winners. Let's go. Oh, bummer, chicken milkshake. Congratulations to Medi, let's go. Laughing Grass, XLR, Juice, Uchiha. You just got here and you're juicing. Haran, Freestyle, Riraru, Floppy, Token Tickler, and Big Dog. Congratulations, $100 on BLOFIN. Let's go. Congratulations, that is juice. Big cheers. Juice up. Make sure to use your BLOFIN. Yeah, use them. Use those coupons. They are there for you to juice. Yeah, you can't withdraw it. Don't withdraw until it expires. The profits definitely even with the profits, I think that it lasts for like a couple weeks or something. But most of you all know the deal already. Trade it. Trade it and juice it up. Yeah, any questions, just check it out in the Discord. Big cheers. Shoutouts to Houston. Thank you, brother. Congrats. Giveaways all day long. Talent show was juice last night. Burbeezy took it home. That was juicy. But everybody made some great songs. I think we're going to hear some of them this afternoon. Big Dog. I know. You guys are starting today off with the bang already. Yeah, we got... I don't know how quickly they're going to process it, but there's a chance. I'm just saying there's a chance. It's not a lock, but there's a chance, right? Oh, Houston. Use the one from... Yeah. Thank you, Houston. Yeah, I have a like nice looking timer, but the overlay isn't working right. take this tick size thing off. That's good. Good reference though. Yeah, they have something else on here that you can show the tooltip, and it'll give you like, let me see, value area, high, value area low, point of control, TPO, high and low, and total volume for the session. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I know like XO, I think Addis can do it. Trading Light can do it, I think. Yeah, they can do some of these things, but this is like all in one place in your trading view, and it's like for just about any of the assets. That's really sweet. At least that's what I've seen so far when I've had it. Yeah, if you don't want the box there, you can hide it. If you don't want the pop-up, you can make it go away. But that's pretty cool. Yeah, and up here you can see like value area, volume, and all kinds of like calculations. It's super juicy. Happy Wednesday, Freestyle. Let's go. Yeah, try it out. Exclamation Coinwise. And then they have that deal as well. Tomorrow, Houston. Okay, that's cool. Well, you know, today's going to be juice, but tomorrow we're going to start to get a better feel of the market's reaction to it all. Yeah, it'll probably still be like kind of interesting into the close today. Token Tickler, 83rd. Thanks, brother. Yeah, that was an impromptu thing, but it was a need that we had. I like this song. Floppy, let's go. Oh, so you just dip in, you grab a little bit of juice, and then like bounce, huh? I see how it is. I hope you have a great day, brother. Try and make it back for the FOMC. It's gonna be juicy. Yes, Colin. So the idea behind the grab versus the holding a single print is kind of the same idea. Yeah, big cheers, Floppy Fresh. Have a great day. Enjoy. Juice up on your business. You already juiced up here, but please try and come back. It's going to be a really fun day. Okay, Acton, I'll look at it. So the idea of a hold, it's kind of like the same idea as holding a like a CME gap, and dip the tip. You know, really, it's like the first test is the juice. Oh, I need to hide this one so you can like just see the zone. I'll make it big. Oh. Ding, 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 ding. Markets are open. Big cheers, Floppy. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the winners. Shoutouts to BLOFIN. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation giveaway. Yep. Yes, MEXC. Yeah, I'm going to take a little break after the morning stream and come back in, and I think that I'm going to be the one that's streaming it, and we're going to have Houston and Cage in here, I think. But it's going to be a viewing party. It's going to be dope. Yeah, we got giveaways all day. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, shoutouts to you, Token Tickler. Yeah. Are y'all starting to get a little more comfortable with me being here? Not that I'm like getting settled in, but I feel good. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I hope that I'm sharing some juice with y'all. So the single print grab, like I'm saying, this is still in that session. This is the next session, and really, like in the session they form, you know, you see them getting grabbed all the time, but after the session closes, that's like a little bit more of a edge that you have for whether it's going to hold or not. First test, a lot of times they do hold. And if it holds and changes structure, a lot of times that is a good thing. However, we're like really smacked up against resistance and we cleaned up that high. I don't know about this one. Yep. Cleaned it. Technically a swing fail, even though that's a poor high up here. So, regardless, if you went into 5-minute structure, it's not going to show the single print because I don't have it configured in a way that the single prints will look all that great. It's not for like the one time frame or whatever that you can do it as, but even if in the 5-minute, like reclaiming the value area low was probably a good entry. Yeah, right here. And then definitely crossing VWAP. Usually you want it to change structure and you wait for a pullback, but that just like grabbed and went, or it held and went. And in higher time frame, it generally is pretty nice. Mystery TA, 8 years, bro. Yeah, I have, I made this last night and, you know, it was just something to have a change. If it's not juicy, then we can go back to the normal playlist. But I thought we could mix it up for the FOMC day. Shoutouts to PSG, Maestro, stand up. Sammy, all-time high, let's go. All-time high on S&P, that's for sure. Yeah, so changing structure, it helps a lot. The full grab, it's kind of like the market is unable to hold that imbalance. Let me open up the Coinbase chart and we might even be able to see the volume on this and on this imbalance right through here. A lot of times you see like somebody trying to protect their position if they like market smashed in the middle of that juice or something. You know, people will try to defend the single print, and that's actually a strategy, is a single print defense and like scalping strategy. Scary TA, I know. This is, well, I mean, we're in Halloween season. Yeah, they started putting the Halloween stuff out near me a couple weeks ago. And then like you go to some stores, they already have Christmas stuff out. Cage wins, let's go. Let's go, Twitch and Greg. Have a great day, brother. Hope to see you later. Big cheers. Big cheers. Aurum, let's go. Curvies. Oxquant, let's get it. Gamer Girl loves you. Shoutouts to PSG. Much love. Much love. If you are not in the PSG nerding out, well, you're falling behind. Lux Slayer, happy FOMC day. Good morning. How are you doing, brother? Jazz Kier, let's go. Oh, we are gonna be up for FOMC today. It's gonna be a viewing party later. I'm just gonna have the normal morning stream and we'll just kind of like regroup a little bit before the meeting. Yeah, I know the dashboard, exclamation dashboard says 2 o'clock. We're gonna try and come in before that. So just be ready. FOMC is in 4 hours and 24 minutes. I was like working on the timer, but my overlay wasn't working too great. I know it's lack of preparation meets lack of opportunity, and it's a huge cachoya. Yeah, I was kind of thinking about it last night, and then I was like in the middle of some other like graphics work or something, and I pushed it in the background and then totally 420'd it. Yep. Yeah, that was a good. It's 420 almost. 3 minutes and you guys can have a exclamation Latuche break. Yeah, Damon. Yeah. Okay, I was opening up Coinbase for our single print discussion. Oh, cancel. I need to save that. Ooh-wee! That was a red candle on our open, wasn't it? Yeah. Usually it's from Binance, but from Binance. I'll pay that out. GG to the Bears. That was a juicy one. That was a juicy points payout. Who was the juicer on it? Saber, let's go. Oh, Il Pasoto. That's a Cachoya. Big cheers. We had some juice there. Channel points, exclamation hot dog, Natero. Good morning. Bybit shorters are juicing. Yeah, that high is not good, but it's showing absorption. Yeah, and that pink box up there was the level that, you know, it got swept on CME. That was the next level up that we were talking about the past few days. And then 116.8 was just our sweep level, and we kind of just did a failed auction above it. I thought that was going to be it last night. That was a nice high. And then London came in, and they did their thing. But reduced volume on that. We had a div print. The CVD. I don't even know where that's drawn from, but far. It was probably in the daily. We'll make this right. Yeah, it's a coin-wise divergences indicator. It's nice. It has CVD. It can do aggregate, I think. And then open interest. It's not. It's nuking, but you got open interest going down. What do you think? That was a lot of longs into that. That's aggregate for a good handful of exchanges as well. That's longs and shorts. Yeah, and I've done like a little bit of customization with my colors and things on these. This is a relative volume. It's one of their buy and sell indicators. Pretty cool. I got RSI on the other one. This is a F. Who's an ether versus an ether? We like to talk about crypto culture here, don't we? We need a poll on this one. I can't execute it right now. That would be pretty fun. Neither. How about HODL versus HODL? We were talking about that one, weren't we? You do ether? You used to do ether, like huffing it? Dude, that's a good way to get wrecked. I've spoken before, but I used to have a science background, and we did like surgery on all kinds of different things, and part of it you had to learn different anesthesia techniques. So I worked with ether and a lot of other things, and ether was a very difficult one to control. Do not huff ether if you have a chance to. It is not a good idea. Amtox. Yep. Chicken milkshake. Couple of times 20 years ago. I know, yeah. Yeah, how about like just getting a whole shopping cart full of whipped cream? KIMBA is on hiatus for a little while, gun for gum. Yeah, so it's just me and some of the other KIMBA gang filling in the meantime. Sorry that you're gonna see me up here a little bit more. We've been juicing though. Yeah, we've had a lot of good nerd outs, and then we've also had morning streams the past you know, week and a half, and it's gonna keep up. A teacup pattern. I don't know. I'm not really putting too much into patterns. It looks like a failed auction to me. It's levels to level, or it's level to level to me. But we're holding that level that we were identifying yesterday. It's on the other template over here. I need to just like link them all. That was pretty nice yesterday though. We were talking about, you know, if we sweep, we just need to hold that, and it did. Juice. It's just market structure though, y'all. Find something that works. Yeah, look at that sweep. Failed auction above that sweep level. They had the swing fail early and then came back and printed a div and Kachoya. Yeah, I thought this might actually make it a little higher, but that's your volume point of control for the day and for a previous day as well. Right through here. Yeah, we're still in value, but we came back inside previous day value. That's not a true 80% setup because we didn't close outside of daily value, but it still is a rotational play potentially, especially when rejecting from the point of control. I need to get the levels on here. They're hidden. I hit them. Oh, one. Previous day equilibrium at value area low also. That's like kind of something else you want to look at. When we're smacked in between but below VWAP, it's like a little bit more bearish. Yeah, which is this bands? Oh, that's my anchor VWAP. Look at that. Sweep level confluence with anchor VWAP from the top. This one kind of sounds like my song. Looking for a long. Yeah, I would maybe like to see a, and don't put too much weight into that deviation band right there. Previous week VWAP is interesting, like sweep, clean that up. This right here is interesting. I'm not looking to get too aggressive until we get those minutes though, unless we get like a big nuke and swing fail. And those lows are bad, just like it is in Bitcoin. Yeah, and we haven't even really looked at S&P yet. We identified that level. That was a great low right there. But that's not that great, like, you know, right below the single print. There's not a whole lot of distance between these. Yeah, I doubled up on that. Petrus, how are we doing? My mate Nate. Yeah, juice, right? I'm not an MD, I'm a PhD. It was all lab applications. I taught a lot of like medical students though. Manaka. Yeah, you know, the thing about it was I didn't want the debt for it. I wanted a chill schedule instead of being on call 24 hours a day, and then I get into crypto and I'm fucking working 24 hours a day. Kachoya! Honestly, like, I am all for helping people, but I am a huge germaphobe. And, you know, like, I'll let the doctor, like the other doctors do like God's work, and I'm just like weird about it. I think it's like the science in me. Yeah, I'm not like I have a complex about it, but it just is like a little thing that I have. 5K red candle followed by a 10K. Yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? I wouldn't mind like cleaning that 107 if we're gonna be honest here, but that's a long way away. Damon, yes, he's juicing. The other one, she's juicing too. It's a challenge sometimes. Last night was kind of a challenge. They were like not too stoked or whatever, and both of them like got so upset they threw up, which is pretty epic. But overall they're doing well. Yeah, good kids. I know, dude, it was gnarly. Yeah, wait till you're ready, not till you're working 17 hours a day and have no time to help your significant other. Yeah. At least I'm juicing with my lions, right? And it's all for them. You'll never be ready. That's right, BuzzCree. That's true. Yeah, and I'm glad that I waited, or that we waited as long as we did. Just, you know, better position in life. So there's no rush for it. History of SPX, yeah. Godhound. I don't know. The administration, it's a little different right now. I think that it's possible though. You know, they've been pricing it in so hard. Like if they nuke 10%, it's like 6,000, which is like basically the last all-time high retest. So it's all over, just like it was all over on the 18% dump in April, and then it fucking printed 43% or 40% or something since then. So, you know, it's just like give people entries. If it happens, then that's juice. Like you know what to look for and your levels, right? Yeah, and we got options on Friday. It's quarterlies. It's the quad witching or triple witching. Level to level, maybe Band-Aid. That's right. Hope you're juicing. Yeah, shout outs to PSG. Again, much love. We need to look at some biddy. ETH, it's not a bad thing to clean these highs, but you got the single print above you. They're like kind of defending. You have a few levels above that. We need to get above VWAP, value area highs, and this is not even showing TPO, except for single prints. And then, you know, I guess we can look at the whole range. We're maintaining value. You got that value area high. You got market structure down below this. And then anchor VWAP from the top. There's a lot of confluence above us that may be some resistance, but everything starts pumping. Who knows? Next level. That was interesting before. I think that above the single print, you know, somewhere between this and this one. This sounds like a TV show intro or sign off song. I was just trying to get any kind of music that was different. It's like feel good music. So y'all, you know, do the good things for others. We can make a commercial or like a public service announcement for the value of the KIMBA gang. We help each other. We juice together. Like a puppies commercial or something. And like yeah, you put your stop losses in profit. You should really seriously reconsider if you want to do blind entries before FOMC. Yeah, like a young person helping an old lady walk across the street or something. Yeah, exactly, Tershad. I love that one too. Vieria, how are you? Petrus, Master Prawn. Ad for KIMBA butter. Dude, I just like heard the craziest thing about fucking margarine. You guys, some of you know me that I have like a little bit of a tinfoil hat. But not like crazy or anything, but the margarine thing, like how they came up with it is fucked up. You need to like look into the history of it. It's funny. Yeah, the other thing is how they came up with the artificial sweeteners like Splenda or whatever. That one's pretty messed up too. Petrus. Pay to pass it during the Super Bowl. Yeah. Fernandez, 42 months. Wow. That's amazing. 1/10 of that is 420. Shout outs to you, brother. Thank you. Did you get a new... What is that? What is that icon? What is that emote or that badge? That is sick. You got like a mask or something? What's it called? Oh, Batman. There we go. Dope. I like my ninja badge though. Fernandez has been here since the jump. Let's get it. Batman, that is dope. I think that's the first one that I've seen. Let's go, Fernandez. McKillum. Yeah, yeah, but how were they doing it? They were trying to make Bug Killer. Yeah. They were trying to make like Bug Killer and he like accidentally licked his finger. Fucking crazy. It's manipulation. Tinfoil hat. Needed 3 rolls to make. Yeah. Let's go. We got some bank rolls to make, don't we? Shoutouts to those who made some bank rolls this morning on the giveaway. Shoutouts to Houston, shoutouts to BLOFIN, shoutouts to KIMBA for making it happen. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation giveaway. Do yo thing and get ready. I know, for real, IQ 99. He's like IQ 9000, it's like IQ 9. Natural selection, dude. They used to have this thing called the Darwin Awards. I don't know if they still like do them, but those were funny. Say people taking themselves out of the gene pool, not necessarily like dying from it, but just like changing their chances of procreation. One of my favorites was the guy that that stole a bunch of lobsters by sticking them down his pants and running out of the store. It was not Juice, that was a big catchoy. Let's get our biddy levels. Yeah, ETH is holding a lot better than Bitcoin is. We filled the single print. What I was saying about this was maybe it'll let me see the profile for our candles. It's because the candles aren't hollow. It's not really too nice on them. So right here, in that point of control, you see how like there's more volume on that one. It's easier to see on XO, for sure. And maybe in like periodic volume profile, but that's kind of like your impulse. And sometimes like a big market order, even if it like crosses through one candle to the next, so like they market smash at like right at 1659, it's like still filling and juicing for that whole move. So like one smash is pushing it through, even though it's two different candles. Oh, my tick size won't go that far back. I'm gonna have to go 10 minutes. Stupid trading view restrictions. Where was it from? Is that where our single print was? I don't have my EXO desktop open. Shout outs to you, Danny Bolot. Thank you so much, brother. Making it rain. Let's go, freestyle. Thank you, Danny. If you were just blessed by a sub from Danny Bolot, shout out your man. Big thank you to Danny Bolot. He juicing. He juicing. Let's go. Let's go. Danny Bellagio. Benzo. If you got a sub from him, he's making it rain in here. Big thank you to Danny Bolot. Yeah, known for knowledge. Juicing. He juicing. That's awesome. Banana Land. Yes, I have. I've read a little bit about that, and I've seen a few documentaries. J6. Yeah, it's really crazy. The whole history of being able to even transport plants is pretty interesting. The whole tea industry is kind of where that started, and then they did it with bananas too, kind of. It's pretty cool. I'm like, you already know that like I'm nerding out on the charts, but I'm always nerding out on stuff. It's kind of like Kimba. I'm full of like lots of meaningless knowledge that sometimes you get a prompt for. There's meaningful knowledge too, but whenever you get a prompt or a reason to talk about it, then it's just like, it's fun. Was it on this one? Yeah, it was all... I looked way too far back. What am I doing? Hoeing. Okay, see all that volume right here? If you just market smashed, I don't know, a lot of Bitcoins, would you not be trying to protect that? So, there is a reason that... Oh no, my playlist is over. Already? Okay, so we're in for an hour. I know, useless lines, useless knowledge. Yeah, J6, it is crazy. I think it's not just in Ecuador though. Panama was pretty gnarly too. A lot of Central America had some. I forget what like the term was that they used for it, but it was like a cartel for bananas. It was gnarly. Yeah, BK. It sounds crazy too because they're like 25 cents or something, not like, you know, 10 grand for like drugs or something. Yeah, my man Nate. 3 hours and 59 minutes to go. I've been trying to get this clock thing running, but you know, I'm hoeing. We're get back to like normal charts. I'm gonna get some music back on. You guys want hype or you want nerd out? You want nerd out vibes? Spam it. Spam it. Yeah, just as brutal as the Narcos. Isn't it crazy, my mate Nate? Nerd out vibes, gamer girl. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be hyped up this afternoon, and we got giveaways all day. We're gonna have another one at least before I come off. The Chiquita Cartel. Was it really? That's insane. Yeah, I mean, I knew what you were saying, brother. Does Lihu, are you for real? Is that in the Lithuania Cartel? Yeah, yeah. Is that in Ecuador or is it somewhere else? Ecuador's a beautiful country too. It's a cool place. Shout outs to Ecuador. Shout outs to all the international lions. You are Lihu? That's awesome. I have a buddy that owns a surf camp there. Have you ever been to the Galapagos? Playlist. Let's see if we can get some songs going. I had it all queued up on 2 letters, 1 word also. So that's a big cachoya. All right. Make sure this is capturing right. Are you hearing music? It is beautiful, isn't it? What got changed, 83rd? I don't see anything. Stelbert, how are you doing? No music yet? Okay, I need to fix it. All right. I will be able to fix that easier. Maybe. I need to clean up my freaking OBS, dudes. Dudes. I love that KIMBA started saying that. I am hearing music. What? Nerd Out playlist. Everything, everyone. I've seen you. Was it like filtering you out? I don't think there's like a filter on it right now. HKP. Love the kitty. Damon, let's go. Buzzcree. Okay, we got it. We got it. All right. Big cheers. Is it? How's the volume on? Is it? It sounds like really quiet for me. Dude, I just got this headset and I don't even know how to like work it. I'm trying to find the volume. Virgin Heart, big cheers. Chicken milkshake. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I am neglecting my brothers and sisters over in YouTube. Big shouts to Andolion over there and Ash Crypto. 15-second TA. I'm sorry for hoeing on you, dude. And Paul Zikluna, how are we doing? Bobby Toxic Pedals, Kimba AI, J Sucks, let's go. All right, 15-second TA. We got FOMC minutes in like 3 hours and change, 3 hours and 55 minutes. Our countdown timer should be coming soon, hopefully. But I'm just trying to give you guys as much juice as I can until then. Yeah, it's gonna be in 3 hours and 55 minutes. Go to the CME countdown clock. Or you can go to the Fed, like just Google it. It's coming. Yeah, a little less than 4 hours from now. Strat, falling, decreasing at the top. Yeah, it was a div. It was a divergence. CME swept. Perps and Spot did not. I can see this being an interesting area. You got fib confluence, you got volume, that's previous day. And yeah, so the golden pocket, previous day value area low, previous day equilibrium, and previous week, TPO point of control, and weekly VWAP. That's a lot of confluence in that area. It doesn't mean that it's going to bounce there, but it makes it a little more interesting. We're bouncing at the 05 and previous day VWAP right now. And these are all levels that I used to manually mark out. Thank you, CoinWise. You save me fucking an hour every day. Big shout outs to you. Yeah, we used to do it in PSG all the time. Didn't we? Mr. RG Bargy, good morning. I haven't seen you in a while, brother. How are you doing? Big cheers. Hope everything is well. Thank you for the resub, brother. See the same level on Kingfisher liquidity? Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, we got some imbalances. Yeah. Speedy Bull, welcome, good morning. Mr. RG Bargy, you in anything? Danny, do you want to see anything? Yeah, we were like kind of doing our 15-minute, or yeah, it's a 15-hour alpha TA instead of 15-second. But it is still coming. You know what I'm saying? What am I laughing about? It's like your anchor VWAP like intersecting all that other stuff. Might as well. That's a little bit lower, but it still is interesting down here. I can see like, and I know you don't want to hear it, I can see it like a debate to clean this. To clean the bad highs on CME and on Biddy. Normal. Spot and perps. Boy, that's ugly, even though they swept it. That's pretty ugly. And then S&P, it did not clean. Not that I want to see a debate. I wouldn't mind getting some entries lower. I just want to see some vola. I hope we get some excitement this afternoon. Shout outs to FOMC. Yeah, Danny, let's go. You want to see Sol? What are you looking for? Hazy? Yeah, absolutely. Are you looking for longs or shorts, Danny? I'm going to give you objective analysis, but I'm just interested. Calling noob. Let's go. Mr. RG Bargy. Yeah. 10 plus longs, holy. On vacation. Yeah, I feel you. Big cheers, brother. Hey, I mean, and one of the cool things about like being on vacation and like kind of keeping up, just even if it's on this, you want to see a rate cut. Yeah, I think a lot of people do. But being on vacation, you can catch up in like a short amount of time. Like if you even like have to catch a rewind or something, it's 2 hours instead of 12, the way KIMBA will stream all day, and you're like hopefully gonna be able to catch some of it. It's a lot easier. Big shouts to you. You somewhere tropical, or it's you know, some other kind of vacay. Much deserved, I'm sure. He's always juicing. 10 plus longs, fuck yeah. Kid in a candy store today. For real. Yeah, we got a candy store full of CoinWise toys too. But yeah, there can be a lot of opportunities today, that's for sure. I'm looking forward to this whole rest of the week and month. You know, rate cuts, let's get it. They did not clean on S&P, so kind of like, you know, you got three scenarios. There's the swing fail on a debate. We have just a little sweep before and then just higher, or we have, you know, like a full nuke debate of some sort. Those are like the three kind of like, this is not too strong right there. It's a very small area together that, and the blue is the gap. Yeah, I don't know how to work all the indicators yet. I have not had enough time to play with them, but that's where the gap is for RTH. Those are like the three outcomes for Bitcoin. We identified the level down here as being interesting. This kind of aligns with that fixed range value area low that I identified on Coinbase. I'm not looking at it in RTH. We gap down, gap fill, maybe a little more, just like what we did yesterday afternoon, potentially, to clean it up, or just keep on going. Like that's our high. I guess I should adjust it, huh? Didn't really do a whole lot. For adjusted, since we got contracts rolling over on Friday. Yeah, we got hella gaps now. There we go, adjusted. We're trading, we didn't close the gap according to this. Yeah, we got some levels higher that we could definitely trade into. Think of longs on Sol as well. Yeah, we'll go over there in a second. You're doing in La Quinta, doing a bunch of golfing. Shout outs to La Quinta. I love their hotels. How's the weather down there? I'm really just kidding. I know you're not staying at La Quinta Inn. For those of you not from America, La Quinta Inn is it's not a Four Seasons. No offense, La Quinta. Dre Trader, let's get it. How's your golf game, Mr. RG Bargy? Dudes, I am so tired right now, but I'm so excited about this afternoon. So that's why I might seem like I'm bouncing off the walls. I barely have had any caffeine. I had half a cup of coffee. That's awesome. Mid 90s, that's cool weather. Fuck's sake, dude. Where's the volume? On the music or on the charts? Is the music too low? Yeah, that is a very true thing about it. There's a lot of sports that are like that, and it's really cool. The Gammas. I'll check our trusty Boo Gamma stream. That thing is fixed. Yeah, there's a whole lot kind of, God. It looks like a, I don't know what car company it is, but the logo's like that. Is it Polaris? Which one is it? That's our Bugamas for today. Centered around like 6640. Check out your trusty cheat sheet. Yeah, there's some big Bugamas around 66. 20 maybe, and 6600. 6630. Yeah, I need to check my GEX spot. Yeah, it's not even really a car company, is it? Polaris is like ATVs and stuff. My sister has a bunch of those. For the farm and everything. Dagif, how are you doing? D4. Let's get this Polaris logo off of here. They have not sponsored us yet. We're sponsored by Bugatti. According to our game show, they are the official sponsor of the Liquania stream, along with Coinwise and all of our Gucci exchanges on the dashboard, right? Shout out HYPERLIQUID, 2-Bit, KCEX, WEEX, BLOFIN, BitUnix, BingX, BTCC, MEXC. Yeah, I had to get them all in. I'm always like, right? I'm a big Kachoya, not a good promoter. That's not what I'm here for, though. I just want to juice my motherfucking lions. Much love to you all. Jedi's Kirk, Ash Crypto. It's an embryology. If you're still listening. Yeah, it's completely unrelated to this and useless for trading. But I sure know how to fucking nerd out. Let's go. Glad you're still here, brother. Sorry it took a while to reply. I'm trying to look at the GEXs. I'm like so off the walls right now, aren't I? 6500 has a little something. 6600. There's some big ones that like, I can't tell if that's 6650. It looks like it. That's the biggest Bugama. That and 6700. I mean, it's pretty much expected every like 50 points, right? Much love, Insistence. How are you doing, brother? Yeah, estimation giveaway. We're gonna fire off another giveaway. I think at like 10:45. So you got time. You get time. Get in that dashboard. Stick around if you're thinking about leaving. Like, at least hang around until then. Big cheers for Freeze. Thank you. I'm glad that you're enjoying things. I'm having a good time. Yeah, if I'm like a little ADD, at least I'm not screaming. Just coordinating the giveaway. Hopefully we can fire it off in a little bit. Yeah, it's a word trip. He'll be back. He's just juicing. He's working on some things for the Lions and for, you know, his own life. He's been talking about needing to step back from streaming a little bit for quite some time. Yeah, I know for like a year and a half at least. We've been talking about this ever since, you know, that week that he just kind of, you know, got real limited on time. Yeah, the beauty of him working the way that he has. It was his birthday. Yeah, I think it was his birthday the other day. Shit, but he never says like what day it actually is because he's gonna get doxxed. That's right. Yeah, he is like almost the same birthday as Mrs. Mandalo. Shout outs to you, Fred. How you doing, brother? Good morning. Checking some emails. Make sure the meetings are still taking place. Let's go. You know what meeting we are making sure that's taking place, right? J Pow, Coco Leva, Fredward. Shout outs to you, brother. Yeah, thanks. I'm glad that I can, you know, help out a little bit. All of the team is really stepping up huge in this kind of in Kimba's absence. Yeah, big cheers, Tia. Okay, so I said I was gonna juice Toll like or Soul. How long ago? We held that single print, which is nice. You know, we kind of talked about that for the other for CME before. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, but lower highs. So we got a little pattern going on since last night. Actually, yesterday afternoon, huh? We cleaned that inefficiency, which was not the best low. We got bad highs above it, though. Yeah, they're just waiting. And we were talking about Soul needing to break above the 240 and hold. Really, it's like the 244 that we identified before. And then also hold the 220, the 220 and like 80 something. Is it that far back? There's our level. And then for up here, just in general, you know, it's so shrunken down, you can't really get much out of that, but the, where did we lose it? Like here. If it breaks and holds, like I wouldn't be surprised if that wasn't the place that we stopped. I was not, I wasn't trading Soul. I think it went to like 248, didn't it? It makes sense to hold below that previous point of control, at least on the first retest. Failed auction, bad. I mean, that's weak highs from there. That's a good high though. Naked point of control way up there. Got bad highs the whole way up. Like that's not too bad, but this is also right under your 240. Rejecting from the point of control, holding value area low though, that's a good thing. We don't want this. I'll do it like this so it's not like a bunch of scribbles. This is still below your lower important level, that 220 area. I don't know which layout that I did this on. But it was like 220. Yeah, it was this one, like right where that single print was. forever ago. Monthly VWAP, naked points of control, all down here. That's interesting. If it goes all the way, and it can still hold that 220 retest. And that had been resistance for a while. There's your 220. Yeah, somewhere between 210 and 220 was pretty interesting. It was like more resistance through all of that. So things got nuky, and we did that before, if you all recall. It had been a pretty important area, even since like the 21 market, I think. And then psychological 200, right? Hugo, how you doing? Yuki, Ponyo, Sosa, Vertet, Blaze Alec, looking for a trade in general. We'll look at a few other alts as we kind of wind down the morning. Leo, yeah, excited for this afternoon. Donatello, cheers, brother. Giovanni, Simba. Yeah, all the devs and admins are stepping up. Big shout outs to the whole team. Much love. Amazing work. Amazing work. Did we just run out? Run out of music? Man. What's JPZ about to do?
Useless lines records. Oh. Hit 'em with the D. That's data. Zoom out, get clean like a shaver. That chart, pull back. I'ma fade ya.
You guys hear music? Is it working? It sounds okay. Changing sources is stressful for me. You just got your CoinWise sub. Shouts to you, ResQQ. Yeah, it's a good deal, isn't it? Big cheers. Hello, Lion Gang. Dr. Manhattan, how you doing? WizTard. Yeah, check out the pin. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, you got a 30% off. They still have that Wise Lions or Wise Pro for the free trial that you can try out before you decide if you want to do the 30% off thing. But you know, it's not going to last forever. Yearly, there I think I talked to the one of the developers this morning, and I can't remember if it is finished or it's going to be finished today, but they're working on fixing or updating that. Yeah, RPM. Yeah, it's either like finished today or like they're getting started on it today, but it is definitely in the works. Yeah, it should be coming along. And then they have some other things that they're supposedly working on. I'm sure that like when the dust settles, they'll be releasing some new things. And I know the education is getting built. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, that's the education's time consuming for sure. It's you know, to do it right. Start nerding out. Yeah. Waiting for it to show up. Yeah, that should be pretty quick. Yo, Ace. That should be pretty quick. Yeah, if it takes like a long time, just check out their Discord. I think that's the place for wait, is it? I don't remember. But their Discord is Gucci. They have support in the webpage too. Yanthro, big shout outs to you. Up and much love. Hugo, Yuki Pop. Hit him with the D, that's data. Hit him with the D, that's data. Is the volume okay? Or is it too low? I'm the type that throws a party and it's like, hey, do you guys have all your drinks? Are you guys okay? Can I make you some sandwiches? Is the music okay? Should I change it? Let's fucking vibe, dude. We got FOMC rate cuts coming in like 3.5 hours. Let's get it. Raptorus, good morning. How you doing, brother? Puff, Puff. Big cheers to y'all. Colin, Noob, Ace, Insistence. Mark. Volume's Gucci. Noise. Glad to hear it, Raptorus. It's okay. Thank you, Chicken Milkshake. Onozera, how are you doing? Good morning. Your owner. Alright, so the levels that need to hold, but like just in our lower time frame structure. Open interest up, so I'm dialed in. POC holding, let's file in. Delta red, then I smile in. We're just trading inside value. They're just waiting. This is all bad. The lows are worse than the highs. I could see like even cleaning these lows. Maybe the single print. From the breakout, we had drawn a profile before also. And by breakout, I mean above that like serious resistance level. And I should just draw it for the for where this volume comes in. Yeah, naked points of control, value area high for this consolidation. And I think it's 2 days of consolidation. So it's not like, it was like a day and a half. So it wasn't like it was only like 30 minutes or something. No FOMO, we just chill. Let the candles react, we still hit the profit. That's the skill. Is this on repeat? Oh, that was just the end of it. Yeah, 226 to 227 is interesting. KIMBA gang made another one. Just for fun. And I know it's not swing low to swing high. But we'll go from retest of the level. You're 7.5. Your little KIMBA box, 75786, bottom of the box, right in that zone. If you want to do like a real fib, I guess that was the last real flush. Oh, dumbass. That's the problem of pinning something to the same thing. Yeah, golden pocket if you go from like the last flush before our just grind up where we change structure. So naked point of control, lots of other stuff there. Volume and TPO and POCs. And sure, why not just add an anchor VWAP to it?
No stress, just runs. No stops, home runs, market move. I don't jump, I just let it and get it done.
From our breakout. Where did we hold it? That's where I pulled it from before. I'm gonna do it from the volume here.
Yeah, let it play, let it do its thing. TP's getting spanked. Juice in my veins, levels insane. It's been 3 years.
Yeah, get above that. I know it's a whole lot of levels in here.
I'm just doing my thing,
Levels.
I'm just doing my thing,
I'm gonna make the TPO value area. Because I had the other one that just displays TPO. Cool thing is it like kind of cleans it up. I like volume on my alts. I have a couple of layouts that I have 2 of the same indicator on, and I just have it for volume and on one of them, and I just have it for TPO on the other for the TPO PVP thing. That's a pretty cool way to like select between and really keep your chart a little bit cleaner. I did the same thing with like levels on one of them too. Yeah, we need to get above that. And I mean, even without seeing your anchor VWAP, you got daily and weekly VWAP right here. Previous day VWAP, it looks like, is right there also. Like pinned right next to our anchor. This is holding that value area low. If we reclaim this, that's our next level of resistance, which it already has been. Reclaim this, these highs are shitty. Higher. This is bad. And we really, if the bulls want to get above the 244 area, so that's outside of our volume value area and important structural level historically. And this is not a substantial trend line. There's only 2 taps on it anyways. But I guess you can go like this, maybe, and ignore the other part of it. Probably in the hourly it looks better. You know how I love my trend lines. There we go. That's the trend line. It actually was at one point. Trend lines are pretty subjective.
I got juice in my levels, math in my blood, I'm a rebel. Patient moves, minus metal. KIMBA gang high on the pedal.
I might unextend that just so it's cleaner.
No FOMO, no stress in the
Slightly at least.
Silent kings with the ammo. Chart move, I don't blink. Zone react, I'm on the brink.
Better.
Imbalance talking, I think. Open interest like a link. Don't care for loud, I read the flow. Juiced up brain, I'm moving slow. Market fake, I was come and go. Bug got edge, let him show.
Just for fun, we haven't looked at this for a while. Holding these bad lows on ETH BTC. The funny thing is, like, you can joke about that all you want, but a lot of times they clean bad lows or bad highs. They do have perps on it. Some pairs do. I think Binance does. Ones and twos on the top of the profile. Ones and twos. Like up here, these. RPM. Are you talking about a CoinWise indicator? Or are you talking about the trading view indicator? Baby Band-Aid. Much love. Gilfin. I love my Gilfs. Gilfs in the kitchen. Let's go. I don't think that that's what your name is. Gilf Schnitzen. Gilfs in the kitchen. That's what I'm talking about. Big cheers. Congratulations, brother. Thank your man, Maybe Band-Aid. Very generous lion. Much love to all our lions. Nico, big cheers. I know, for real. Yeah, you're not gonna call your own grandma a gilf though, are you? I sure hope not. Steph Gilf. Even worse. I'm disgusting. Believe me, like, Mrs. Mandalo is a smoke show. I don't need to like worry about Steph Gilf excitement. Yeah, we gotta love our grandmothers. Yes, sir. Golden next to the value area volume. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about, and it's for sessions. It's for sessions. These. If you have it in auto time frame, I was playing around with that. It might be this one. Do you have levels on it also, or is it in this? Let's see if I have auto time frame, if it gives it to you. And I'm just gonna put one background on just to see. I don't have auto time frame on mine. It takes a second for it to load or whatever. Is it still loading? No, it should have. That didn't do it, did it? It does show open a different color now. Yeah, I have to get an answer for you about it. A golden one. It's for the sessions. I'm pretty sure. I just don't know how to work it. Yeah, I know how to read them. I just don't know about the rest of it. Hide session background. It's on my list to it's actually pretty nice to combine the levels. Is anybody getting like triggered by all of the different levels all together? I kind of don't like it combining the labels of them, but it is cleaner. Good highs and bad, good and bad. That's pretty nice. Enable.
I'm taking this full rotation.
I'm just putting it on there and see if that like makes it. Get your label.
Pure elevation.
I don't know, I'm gonna have to nerd out. Remind me later. Let's go! Giveaway. Let's go. 4 minutes. 3 minutes now, probably. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Exclamation, one more juice. One more juice. We got about 15 minutes left until my little break, and then I'll be back in a little while. Pre-meeting. Get it, get it, get it, get it. BLOFIN, shout outs to you, shout outs to Juiciest. Shout outs to KIMBA. Let's go. Exclamation dashboard. If you're not ready, you actually still have time. You could probably make a profile by then and get your UID for BLOFIN. Yeah, the math and the data can hold it down. One more juice. Let's get it. Enter, 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 enter. Exclamation giveaway, exclamation dashboard. Yeah, Stoyan, get it. Over there on YouTube, one more juice. Good luck to all. Get yourself some $100 giveaway to juice up. Let's go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and counting. I like this song. Yeah, and levels, you can do that too.
Useless lines, records, ho.
And for your sessions.
They know me, clicking. I'm patient, I'm waiting, I'm feeling the wave.
I think I like got rid of some of the parts of it. I'm playing with so many different toys right now, it's ridiculous.
I want a 30-minute candle body. Just give me that 30-minute candle body. I just wanna get naughty. Marcus, I really love the way you move. Marcus, I
Wait, that's not what I wanted to do.
Yeah, I really like the way it move. Yeah, I really like the way it move. I really like the way it Yeah, I really like the way you so rising.
Yeah, that's it.
Pumping, price whispering, I can feel the way. I'm just sitting with the plan in place. I know I'ma strike it here today. I know that the prophets want me here right now. You so rising.
TDO open. It's like an ATM machine, right? One more juice. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Enter, enter, enter. One more juice for the BLOFIN $100 giveaway.
KIMBA, never shake it. Marcus, I really love the way you
Let's go. Congratulations. Congratulations to the winners. $100 of juice. Shout outs to BLOFIN. Shout outs to Juiciest. Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs to KIMBA. Shout outs to our dev team. Let's get it. Much love. Much love. Congratulations, Sandelka, Shamas, Bugatti. No, that's his name. Briggsy. Bato USA. Let's go. PK. Congratulations. Coin Profit. Hudson Hank. Wookie. And El Coyo. Big cheers. Congratulations, y'all. Exclamation turbo. I know. Exclamation break. Yeah, Fernandez. Back in the olden days, marbles, right? Those were fun. That was so funny hearing Kimbo like let us up and commentating those. That was a lot of fun. The $25 giveaways. Now it's like auto spam bot like fucking $10,000. insane, the evolution, isn't it? Congrats to all the winners. Shishu Bui, how we doing? Sandelka, congratulations. Curvies, bested. Demon Fang. Shamas, oh shoot. Dippo PP. Dipopi. Briggsy, let's go. Miss Get Swifty. Not today, I don't think. I think it's gonna be BLOFIN this afternoon as well. I'm wrapping up in a few minutes, and then we're coming back strong for a FOMC viewing party a little bit before the actual press release comes out. Yeah, we're gonna vibe out, view it together, get like a good take on the charts beforehand. I'll give like a little summary before I get off, but I'm not gonna last much longer. And then we're gonna come back strong and just vibe out this afternoon. It's gonna be juice. There's giveaways. We got a CoinWise promotion. You get free indicators on their trial for their pro indicators. Still, exclamation CoinWise. I think that promotion is it's Wise Pro, and then they have another one that for all their subscriptions. That's even like the yearly ones, dudes. It's 30% off. That's pretty juice. Yeah, Fernandez, it's mind-blowing. Yeah, exclamation dashboard for the schedule. We got a talent show tomorrow. We got the viewing party this afternoon. We got me every morning for RTH Open at least. Yeah, Shamas, let's go. Bugatti. Congrats. Plays Alec. Yeah. Stoyan, next time. Bit Phantom. Shout out to you. Haven't heard you over there yet. Gringo, let's go. I'm allowed to say that. Right? To my Latin Lions. I can call. What's up, my Gringo? Is that acceptable? I'm not offended by it. Y'all are just too woke, standing up for the gringos in here. Netero, much love. No, please don't get it twisted. I'm not calling anybody woke. Speedy Bull, let's go. Yeah, that's a big catch. Yeah. Alright, so those are bad lows. Previous month VWAP might be an interesting place for another higher low. We kind of did it, but then like this break of structure here was not super Gucci. Yeah, tried to get back above and just got rejected. And that was at what? 8 a.m.? No way. Losing weekly VWAP and previous to equilibrium, not the best. We'll see the hourly close, and of course the 4 hour is going to be pretty important, but there's nothing to really be said for the next 2 hours until those minutes drop. It's just like the volume is down quite a bit in this session versus yesterday morning. Everybody's waiting, or like the big money is waiting. So if it hits your levels, you know, it's not wrong to be in a long or a short. BMNR. Okay. Wait, somebody else asked for mix. I'll show you that first. I'll try to remember BMNR. I'm not gonna like super. What? Oh, I did the wrong ticker.
I'm just doing my thing.
It's gotta be testnet. They're gonna take those bad highs. Who knows if it'll hold, but it's gonna be a substantial divergence. Yeah, right off the open. Somebody is bullish. Or it's just easy to move it. They got filled. Happy 420, good morning. Need the rate cut song. Alright, let me try not to break it. We'll get the rate cut song. We'll do, if anybody wants to hear like my alternate version of my song, and then we'll have my my sign off. Where is it? It's probably in August.
Juice in my veins, levels insane. It's been 3 years, I ain't been the same. Glow up, no change.
I wonder if this is the correct one.
No red cuts, but my letters green.
Are you guys getting music? I just changed the source, so it might be. You got music? Hard to chat. Big cheers. Hope all is well. Absolutely happy 420. Hopefully, yeah. All right. I'm getting better. It's too loud. For YouTube, it's too loud. Is that better? Gucci Magucci. Exodus, thank you. Is it better now?
Still blazing, still blazing. Rate don't drop on my wrist, still clean. Zone still blessed like triple beam.
What happened?
Still blazing. Math in my blood, no
Is that music a Kachoya?
trade truth, you chase dreams. Still blazing. No rate cut, still ballin'. Still juicing, still calling.
Oh, it's just our countdown timer should be coming soon, hopefully. But I'm just trying to give you guys as much. Okay. Big cheers, Gringo. Much love. Yeah, I was able to hear the preview or like the monitor, but not anymore. Okay, I'm done with mix. It was BMNR. Is that the one that we were looking at? Big cheers. Was that the correct one? Yes. The only problem is it's in the top right. Like anybody knows, like the TradingView hack to make the ticker be on, or is in the top left. If there's a hack for that. Yeah, Miss Get Swifty. There's going to be some giveaways, I think, like starting around 2 o'clock this afternoon, New York time. So in about 3 hours from now. Yeah, chicken milkshake. I'm trying to scroll up and find the BMNR or BMR. Obviously, I am trading the shit out of it. What even happened? I'm a big Kachoya right now. I should have looked at that one first. Sorry. I'm gonna guess that it's this one. Yeah, that one's juice too, but like, for God's sakes. This is a brand new one, huh? Is this the correct one? Yeah, chicken milkshake. I'll be here. We're gonna stream it. We're gonna have a viewing party, with Cage and Houston and myself. I think it might be some combination of me and some of the others, depending on their availability. But we're trying to get juicy this afternoon. It's Bitmine. Strategy for ETH. That's cool. 2 million ETH. I thought you were like, I read that as $2 million of ETH, and I'm like, okay, that's cool. Like, I had that in my sock drawer. Not really, but it's not a substantial. Yeah, 2 million ETH. That is a, yeah, substantial amount. But they just went public? Is that what it is? Oh no, that's perps. Never mind, I'm fucking stupid. Alright. That? Don't drop, but my wrist still clean. Zone still blessed like triple beam. Still blazing. Yeah, you got bad lows. It's absorption at the lows. I trade truth, you chase dreams. Still blazing. Sure. No rate cut, still ballin'. Still juicing, still calling. Still up while they stalling. I'm in higher. You got bad highs. They're not super terrible, but they're not super great either. I think 60 is an interesting area, even from here. In the sock drawer, yeah. I mean, dude, you can fit a lot of things on a on your like little wallet things. Return of the rate cuts. Let's go at it. Yeah, that thing juiced up back in July, huh? Because you know that like JP Morgan or whoever is grandpa wanted to get some ETH exposure. Look at that. And I would have drawn a box around there. Probably here. 90. If it holds above this, we're already turning this area, really that area, into support. Get my fib out of here. Weekly VWAP. Trading under daily. We'll see after today. And we'll see what ETH does and Biddy does. Biddy's pulling back quite a bit, going for those lows. JP is listening to it. He's getting amped up. Holds a lighter over the head. That's right. Manaka, shout outs to you. Hey, nice song yesterday. I'm missing Burbeezy. Hopefully he's here this afternoon. But that was a great show last night. We had some giveaways this morning. We're gonna have some more this afternoon. Shouts to you, Claytown, Mark, Gamer Girl loves you. Any last minute questions before I wrap it up? Shwani, how are you doing? Sorry you're rolling into the very end of the stream. Big cheers. Samuel. Yeah, you had a song yesterday too, didn't you? Big cheers. Shwani, how you doing? You have a good visit? Nice. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, Yeah, big cheers. You need to see anything before I wrap it up? Yeah, I got some like things I really got to squeeze in before the meeting. I'm sure all of you are the same. It's just, you know, you don't want to be like looking at me just like sitting here, do you? Probably. Yeah, I'll get it on this one. Just check out. For our last minutes, I mean, they're probably just gonna sit around here until 30 minutes before or something. I don't expect too much craziness, except for maybe Bitcoin like might go for these lows, but I can see them like stopping before it and you know, cleaning it up afterwards. You know what we say about like, I mean, they juice the stock market like 10% in the past like couple weeks, but they're gonna price in like, or they're gonna de-risk a fucking hour before the meeting, right? Right to the last minute. It's like your homework assignment. Make sure you get it done. Well, I'm gonna do it right before class. Yeah, Mark. I'm thrilled to be here. It's nice to be sharing juice in my levels with the Lions. Shouts to you, Crispy. Stand up, PSG. Let's go. Much love to all of you. All right, and I think I'm just gonna do my like normal outro. So make sure that you are ready. Start watching out for the alerts. Shout outs to PSG. If you're not in PSG, you're missing out. Manello, Maestro, let's go. Best Ed, much love. Mark, Chicken Milkshake. Yeah, I'll be back in a little while. About 2.5 hours maybe. Yeah, definitely before the meeting though. And then we're gonna have a viewing party. We got giveaways, Cytilics. Shout outs to CoinWise for the discount. That's epic. I'm stoked about that. We got the promotion for the trial of their pro indicators also. So check them out. They're super Gucci. And it's gonna be juice this afternoon. It's gonna be amazing. Yup. So this morning was a lot of fun. We got even more juice coming. So be here this afternoon. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Yeah, we're right above previous day settlement, Monday settlement, I think. Yeah, we're maybe like come down here, bounce after the clean. I mean, you clean this and like that's right there. Like, what is even the point? It's just another bad low. But previous day value area low is interesting. Big cheers, MEXC, Natero, Cytilics, Manhattan, Latisse, Exodus, Gringo. Swiped it for Crow. Yeah, I was getting some alerts. I think it was yesterday. A bunch of alerts. Playtown, big cheers. Much love. Shout outs to KIMBA AI. Shout outs to Nightbot. Yeah, let's get it. Big thank you to KIMBA. Huge thank you to BLOFIN. Huge thanks to all of the mods. Big cheers to Cage, to Husty, making it happen. Yeah, I hope to see you guys up here with me in a little while. But we'll have somebody here. Refreeze, big cheers. Chauncey, Buzz, Cyper, miss you, brother. Miss all of PSG. Love that I get to spend so much time with the Lions, though. Yeah, shout outs to Tiggy, MGK, Coin Nerd. Shout outs to Reddy. Shout outs to Gypsy. Shout outs to Toddler. Big Dog. Raptorist. Shwani. Much love, brother. Thank you so much. You want to see anything? I know I'm wrapping up, but that was so nice. Right at the end. Big cheers. Let's see. Maybe. I'm gonna get it on this template. Big thank you. Thank your man, Shwani, if you were blessed by a sub. He's making it rain. He juicing. He said he's juicing up hard. Hard. Holding that low on Soul. We already have our plans set though. You trade in spot or perps? Oh my gosh. No wonder you're juicing. Holy shit, that's like a 50% pump, huh? No, that's like a... How much is that? Oh, it's not doing it now. Oh, there we go. 89%. Where were you in from? That is juice. Up 12. Yeah, I'm up like 12 won. 12 Pepe. I did not get in at the bottom. That is juice, brother. GG. Wow. Nice one. Yeah, I mean, it's just like the near-term range. Yeah, you could do a fixed range on that. Like, you don't want to lose this. And that's pretty far. I can see them still holding even the VWAPs. That's insane. Was there news on it or something? They just like decided to... Yeah, that's not... They held that. You know I'm such a chart nerd that I'm like, I have to go, I have to go. Now I gotta know. At 12.2, interesting, especially now that we didn't take it. Even though they cleaned all of this up, it's not the best look to swing fail this. But as long as we hold, I think, like here, hold there, maybe this. Be okay. And I'm just trying to give plenty of room. Plenty of room. Lost some kin to the game we play. Missing most when the volume dips. Shoot my shot and it hits like Steph, but I don't trade off golden ticks. It's bait when the zone gets heavy with traps. Even if he can't fake that script. What are these jokers on? Keep pushing, but we won't react. Big dot file ain't nothing like small cap OTF. Long live the stack. Area low. What you stream or see. Gangs in the back where the pressure's at. Including the impulse. Including the impulse. Not so great to be under the point of control, but we're holding VWAPs, which is nice. Let's see how it's doing since we came up here. Yeah, get back above that. We're already holding this VWAP daily. Yeah, and of course we have to have a fib on it, right? Golden pocket. Held the 786 to the pixel. I know it's busy. Yeah, this zone, That's pretty interesting. You don't want to have this like lower high and then make a lower low down here. Yeah, if that was the case, I might see even monthly VWAP or the single print revisited. Thomas Casper, welcome to Lion Cub. Big cheers. Peace out, Gringo. Have a great day. Swap it for Crow. Maybe. That's about WLFI. Did they just launch, or did they just go get listed? How you doing, Shwani? You like that? Yeah, we got some levels to the upside, some levels to the downside to watch. Near term, you know, if it cleaned this right through here and tucks back in with some volume, that might be interesting. So like a sweep, and then you get some volumes like tucking back in to value area low as well. You know, that might be a scalp. You got bad highs right there. And even if it doesn't like go and take the $12 or the 12 whatevers, even if it doesn't take that, like it's still juice if you were to, I mean, I'm not like advocating some reckless behavior, but like let's say that it goes like things get like super Kachoya and it cleans this low right here, and then we tuck back in, like let's say it's like kind of grinds a little bit and then it goes like, that's not that bad even if you're going for just those highs or for this right here. That's like, I don't know, let's say we got in on 21%, that's juice. Yeah. Yeah, MEXC is pumping like a meme coin also. That's what it was, Shwani. Big cheers. Glad you juiced. Congratulations, brother. Keep it going. Keep juicing. All right, I'm going to have to go. I'm sorry I'm not going to be able to chart Crow or Wi-Fi. Exodus, if you're here later, please remind me and I'll chart it after the minutes drop. Yeah, it turns into another Trump flop for real. Let's hope not. Let's hope not. I mean, it's still holding above list price, isn't it? But that's pretty standard for a lot of altcoins. Just juice up, but make sure you take profits. Yep, stops for any fresh positions. We got some hella volatility. Do not over leverage or over trade or oversize. You shouldn't ever do it, but like especially coming into a big volatility event, a red folder event, as they say. Yeah, just be safe, be cautious, be smart. You guys are wise lions now. Shout out to CoinWise. But much love to the whole gang. Assistance, AC, Natero, Sigurn. Yeah, we got FOMC coming up in a little bit. I'll catch you guys very, very soon. Let's get it. Much love, gang.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile and volume in time.